Hi, I'm Sarah, the group manager for product for the Create stage. I'm going to do a walkthrough of utilizing code owners for merge request approvals. So let's create a branch. I'm going to update the README for purposes of this demo. All right, so on my branch, update the README. So this gives me information on how to use it. We'll just add a note to something. Right. So I just added a line indicating that this is Sarah's version in GitLab because I imported this application from GitHub. So now I've got a commit on the README branch, and I'm going to create a merge request because I want to merge it. Into master. And so it's already set up for me. I do have the option to change branches, which I could do if I wanted to merge it into my release branch, but I don't. I just want to go into master. So go back to merge requests. Oh, let's create a merge request. Okay, I'm going to go from update README into master. Okay. All right, so let's see what this adding approval rule is. Before we do this, let's go look at code owners. Here we go. Protected branches approval by code owners. Okay, so before I do this, I need to set up my protected branches. I need to make sure that I'm requiring code owner approval for my master because that's the branch that I'm going to be merging into. So now that we've got that set up, let's go back to merge requests. Create a merge request. Okay, here we are. See what happens when we do this. Okay. When enabled, all merge requests targeting these branches require approval by a code owner per matched rule before they can be merged. That is not super clear. So approval is optional. It's not populating code owners. So this is not applying because I am allowed to push. Okay, that makes sense. Glad we worked through that. So theoretically, if I was not allowed to push, then this would have assigned it to the code owner for this file. But since I have permissions, that is not happening. So we'll just go ahead and merge it. All right, so that was a half walkthrough of how to use code owners as approval on merge requests.